Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I have in my diaper bag for my newborn as well as my 3.5-year-old. As well as myself too, because this serves as my purse as well. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video and show you what I have. So first of all, in these crazy times, on the outside of my bag, I have a huge thing of sanitizer. So this works for surfaces as well as hands, and this is like an all natural one. Kills 99.9% of germs. So I like this because I can use it to spray carts anytime we go into a store, also our hands. So perfect. I keep that right outside here. Then I have attached here, I have this cart cover. So anytime I want to put Holden in a cart, then I just unwrap it, and it is a cart cover, which is awesome. Really gives me some peace of mind. I can just put this over top of the cart. He can sit in there and he doesn't have to actually touch the actual cart itself. Then I just have this little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer on the outside, and I have this little key ring that holds a loonie, a dollar. This is a Canadian dollar. Most of the times whenever we go to a store that needs a cart, you need to use a loonie to get a cart out. That prevents people from stealing carts. I don't know if they have that in other countries or not, but here, just so that people don't steal carts, you have to use a loonie, and it just, you get it back at the end. You like put it in, you get your cart out, and when you return your cart, you get your loonie back. So there's a loonie. Now this is not the actual one that I would typically use. I have one, but it's in my car, and to be honest with you, I'm too lazy to go get it. But what I have is one of those like Contigo ones. It's just like a coffee mug, but it's one of those airtight Contigo ones that keeps water hot for a really long time. And I have this filled with boiling water anytime that I leave. This is for making formula. So I have like a bottle of water, a bottle of actual like cold water, and then I have this, and then if I'm on the go and I need to mix some formula up, I don't have to worry about warming it up, because I'll just add a little bit of this hot water into the bottle and you're good to go. Add a little bit of cold water, add a little bit of your hot water, and you're good to go. So next in here, I have 2 baby bottles for my little newborn babe. I should mention, as I'm filming this, I'm 37 weeks pregnant and just waiting for my little guy to come, but this is what will be in my diaper bag whenever I have my baby, and I'm taking both kids out of the house with me for an extended period of time, for a day or whatever. So I've got 2 bottles, and then I have just a drink cup for Holden with water. And then in here I have a set of silverware for Holden, just in case. I also should mention that I did get my diaper bag on Amazon. I absolutely love it. It is a backpack. It's amazing. So then I'll show you, I'll show you the last pocket here on the back. So there's a little pocket in here, and this just has some snacks in it. So I've got some fruit chews, I've got a box of raisins, and I have an applesauce in here. And those snacks would just change out, of course, just kind of like emergency snacks. And what I really like about this diaper bag also is that there's just so many places to hook things on, which is nice. Okay, so when we open it up, you see I have quite a large area here with tons of storage, which is amazing. So I usually just have my wallet on top as well as my phone just lying there on top, ready to get whenever I need. The rest of the things that I have in these 2 little pockets here. So I have a lip gloss, a hand sanitizer, a deodorant, hair tie, of course, and headphones, and an extra phone charger, just in case. You can never be too sure when you're going to need all that stuff. So I like to be prepared. Then on the sides, I have diapers. So I have about 8 to 10 newborn diapers for when we're out. And then I just have one like overnight diaper for Holden just in case. There have been times, because we live an hour away, so there have been times where he needs to go number 2 and there's like nowhere for him to go. So whenever that happens, I'll just put a diaper on him and I'll tell him just go in your diaper and then I'll change your diaper. So that's happened 1 or 2 times, just when he's about to have an accident sort of thing. So I bring that just in case. Then on this side, I have a bag of wipes. And these are like the water wipes, so I can use them for bums or I can use them for hands, faces, whatever. Any sort of mess that I need cleaned up. Then I have a pacifier for our little one. I have some cornstarch for his diaper, because this is the best diaper rash cream you will ever find in your entire life. Always have cornstarch on hand. And then I have this little thing for formula as well. So it just holds the powder and then you just mix it in to your bottle. And then for Holden, I just have a few kind of emergency toys, just like a handful. I've got a few cars, a couple of trains, and I have this search and find book. So if we're like waiting in line somewhere or we're at a restaurant or whatever, this is just stuff that he can have on hand to entertain himself with. And this one is like a search and find. So you look for the character in the book, and that kind of helps to keep him busy a little bit. Then I have a receiving blanket, just because you never know, spit up, all that sort of stuff. And 2 little washcloths. Once again, you never know with a newborn. And then I have extra changes of clothes for both of them. So I have 2 changes of clothes for my newborn, and I have 1 change of clothes for Holden, just in case. So for Holden, I've got a t-shirt, a pair of pants, and a pair of undies. And then for baby, I have a bib, I have a little hat with some little mittens, and a pair of pants and a sweater, as well as just a little jumper. And then I have a sleeper, just in case if he spits up or has a blowout or whatever. Then we have lots of clothes, especially like if I take them into the city for the day. Like I said, we're an hour away, so I like to be prepared and make sure that I have a little bit more than I probably need, just because you never know. Then lastly, in this pocket here, I have just a bunch of masks, because today's day and age. You guys, that is it for what is in my diaper bag and my diaper bag tour. I'm going to just stuff everything else back in here. Also, I guess I should say I would have my keys in here as well, but like I told you guys, I usually just keep my stuff on top. And yeah, that's what I would have in my diaper bag whenever I left the house with my 2 little ones. Also, what's nice about this diaper bag too is that there is a pocket on the back that opens up to the bottom, so I have access to all the clothes that I just packed away back there, which is awesome that we don't have to take everything out from the top. You can just access stuff from back there. Very handy. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything that you think I might have missed that I might want to be taking with me whenever I'm going out with 2 kids. Let me know that, because chances are there's probably something. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know